Hello everyone and welcome back to Dummy to Punny, and we are going to continue our phonics series, and we're going to look at the consonant sounds for letter Q. Now Q has two sounds. Alright, so we're going to look at the two different sounds that Q makes. The first sound we're going to see is Q, as in KW, right? K, W, Q, Q, quick. Alright, the first word we have quick. Qu, I, k, quick. The second example, quiet. Qu, quiet. Qu, quiet. Alright, so in this example, Q makes the sound qu. The next examples we have, Q makes the sound k, as in K. K. Let's look at the first example, unique. Unique. K. So here Q makes the sound k. Alright, and in our second example for this one we have Q. K, Q. Alright, and in the final example we have Iraq. Iraq or Iraq. Right, so in these examples Q makes the sound k. Alright, so in our first example where Q makes the sound qu, like in k, w, qu, these are words that we will find from English. When words make the sound k, these are words that come from Arabic or French. Right, there are borrowed words from another language, and also you can see that it's Q-U-E. So this can help you to identify when Q makes the sound k. Right? Good luck. I think Q is very tricky. And yeah, best of luck to you. Good luck. Have fun. And if you like what you see, maybe hit the like button, subscribe, or let me know what you think. Tell me what I can do for you. Awesome.